chocolate eater. The chocolate made from your cacao beans makes life a little sweeter. Now to the rainforest we go, where the cacao trees all grow, producing cacao pods, a fruit with a secret. 'Cause take off the peel and hiding beneath it are giant white beans covered in sugary slime. You heard right. So you take the pods and remove the beans, then ferment them, and what that means is that there's yeast all over them, munching the goo. That's a win-win for yeast and you, 'cause the yeast turns sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide, which cleans off the beans' slimy outside. But even once fermentation's complete, there's a lot you gotta do before it's ready to eat. You gotta clean the beans, dry the beans, roast and peel and grind the beans, combine the beans with sugar, maybe add in some milk, and then you mix it all up till it's smooth as silk. Then it hardens in a mold into something you can hold. That's a bar I wouldn't trade for a bar of gold. Thank you, cacao trees, from every chocolate eater. The chocolate made from your cacao beans makes life a little sweeter. Oh, cacao tree, we thank you so for making life more yummy. So please accept our gratitude from the bottom of our tummy.
Chocolate. There's gotta be some chocolate on here somewhere. Hello? Hello? Little help down here, please? Oh, hey, sir. Hi, can I get your... Wait, don't do that!
So after the beans are cleaned, the first major step is to roast the raw cacao beans. We pour 400 pounds of beans into this machine. The roaster cooks the beans at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for close to an hour. After the beans are cooked, they're dropped into this tray and spun around to cool. Next, we need to get the shells off the roasted beans. This machine crushes and shakes them until all the shells fall off and all that's left is the nib.
The nib? Yeah, what's the nib, Miss Chocolate Lady?
It's the part of the bean that gets sent to the mill. Inside this machine, thousands of metal balls are pounding the nibs into a thick liquid.
Whoa, sure would hate to be one of those beans, man.
The liquid cacao is very bitter on its own, so we add sugar and sometimes milk to sweeten it up. The clumpy mix of cacao and sugar is sent through rollers that crush it into a powder. Next, the powdery mix is spun around and heated up so that it turns back into a liquid. That liquid is poured into a mold that gives the chocolate its final shape. Once it's cooled, the chocolate is ready to be packaged and shipped off to stores everywhere.
Awesome! Radical, man!
Well, it looks like we got our answer, guys. Let's... Wait a minute. Where's Bing?
Oh, I think I found him, man. Thank you!
Thanks,
Oh, that
Miss
was so
Chocolate
cool!
Lady.
Love you back.
Okay, thanks for coming by. Please stop back anytime.